Blox.
What's going on, y'all? You're watching the Turn Left Racing Network YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on the Honda K24. This is the race engine. We're going to throw a Blox Racing oil pan baffle on it. We got the K-tuned oil pan Blox Racing baffle. We got all the hardware. So we're going to kind of just walk through how to do it. Real easy because we still have the engine on the engine stand. But first step here is to take this hardware out of the windage tray. So we're going to get to it. So it's just a 10mm socket, or in my case, 3/8 ratchet with an extension, and a 3/8 to 1/4 inch because I lost my 3/8 drive 10mm. Go figure. So first step, just take all these off. Oh no. Well, it's always a good idea to have one of these. I mean, oh my god. All right, so the next step, we got the hardware here. Oh, that ain't it. Here's the hardware pack, some Loctite, studs, spacers, washers. So we're gonna put the studs in. We're gonna put some Loctite on them, tighten them down. We'll get to it. All right, so we got the Loctite. Just gonna put some Loctite on the short end of these. Just a little bit. It's getting warm. That one was giving us trouble. It doesn't really look like it's all the way in there. But we're gonna see how it goes. I don't really want to start like tapping the block or anything like that. So we'll see how it goes when we get the spacer on there. We'll go from there. All right, now it's time for the spacers and the washers. Let's see. See if we can get it to hold down tight. That one stud was like, it's kind of stripped out or what, but let's see here. Just careful not to drop any of this crap in the engine. Little disclaimer, if it looks like this is the first time I've done this, it's because it's the first time I've done this. So, just pop the spacers, these little washers on here. I really think these are for when you're doing it when it's still in the car, so the spacers don't fall off. But we're gonna put them on there as instructed. And then we'll slide the baffle on and see how it sits. So baffle slides on, slide through the pump.
Blox.
I had to fight entirely too much to get that on. Just gonna be honest, not being critical, but I did get it on there. it was a fight. But it's on there. Also, this would be fun to get to tighten. This side is like, yeah, they thought about it. This side, not so much. So, just basically all we're gonna do is tighten the nuts down. Yep. So we're gonna just check if the oil pan is gonna sit flush on there, and that's that. We don't have any Honda bonds, so we're not gonna seal the oil pan on, but that'll be basically it for the bottom end. Gasket set's coming in hopefully this week, should already be in, and that's that. And then we'll get to it on putting all the accessories on. Gotta order a header and start getting it put together. And the car, as you can see, not much has changed, so waiting on the fabricator. Busy. So that's it. Thanks for watching Turn Left Racing Network YouTube channel. See you next time. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.